Welcome back to the channel. Today we're making a refreshing mocha orange iced latte that perfectly combines rich chocolate, bold espresso, creamy milk, and bright citrus flavor. This unique coffee recipe is smooth, refreshing, and surprisingly easy to prepare at home. If you love cafe-inspired drinks with a creative twist, this delicious latte is one you won't want to miss. Ingredients: 2 shots espresso or 1 hive cup strong brewed coffee, chilled 1 cup milk whole, oat or almond, 2 tablespoons chocolate syrup, 1 tablespoon fresh orange juice, 1 teaspoon finely grated orange zest, 1 teaspoon vanilla syrup, 1 cup ice cubes, whipped cream, chocolate shavings, and an orange slice for garnish. Directions: start by brewing 2 shots of espresso or preparing a half cup of strong coffee. Allow it to cool completely before assembling the drink. In a small mixing bowl, whisk together the chocolate syrup, fresh orange juice, orange zest, and vanilla syrup until smooth. This flavorful mixture creates the signature mocha orange taste that makes this latte so unique. Fill a tall serving glass with ice cubes. Pour the chocolate orange mixture over the ice, then slowly add the chilled espresso. Stir gently to blend the rich chocolate with the bright citrus notes. Next, pour the cold milk into the glass, creating beautiful layers before giving everything one final stir. The creamy milk balances the bold espresso while enhancing the smooth chocolate flavor. For an extra indulgent finish, top with whipped cream, sprinkle chocolate shavings over the top, and garnish with a thin orange slice or a little extra orange zest. Serve immediately and enjoy every refreshing sip of this mocha orange iced latte, a perfect combination of creamy coffee, rich chocolate, and vibrant citrus that's ideal for warm afternoons or whenever you want a cafe-style treat at home. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed making this delicious mocha orange iced latte. If you try this recipe, let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Remember to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more creative coffee recipes and refreshing drink ideas. Until next time, stay caffeinated, stay inspired, and enjoy every homemade sip. Free ebook, Starbucks Liquors, Coffee the Adult Alcohol, worth $5.99. The description: https://tinyurl.com/3coffeelover.